Park.
I've heard rumors of monkeys and all kinds of wild animals flying out of here. So hopefully none of that happens today. Yo, they said we shouldn't shake. If you shake, we are going.
Next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new, if you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, hello, my name is Jonita. I hope you stay. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Okay, so guys, I'm currently heading to Finima Nature Park in Bonny. I'm walking in, so I wanted to start the vlog here, so you guys are going to come with me today. Okay guys, so yeah, let's go.
Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something?
Hi. Welcome to Finima Nature Park.
Show you something, give you more than words. Make you happen this place on earth. Take you there.
Okay, so I just got out of here. You have to sign before you really go in. So hey guys, let's go. This is, hey God. Yo, they said we shouldn't shake. If you shake, we are going. It's going to the right. Oh. guys, I look oily as fuck, but I'm currently walking. There's a forest and that has like a walkway that you can go through and just see things. I don't know, you guys will see in a bit. I'm trying to hurry there. The lighting is crazy, but I just wanted to check back with you guys. Let's go. I'm late, guys. They close like 5 p.m. and it's like past 4 already, and I really want to go there because I want to take nice pictures. The lighting is off. You guys have to just be here with me.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you do?
So guys, I've heard rumors of monkeys and all kinds of wild animals flying out of here. So hopefully none of that happens today.
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
Where that thing comes from. This is Pandamos. That's why they write it. Pandamos to the dead. We use this for
Math
preparation.
making.
Yes.
They wrote there for math making.
Yes. We use it for local mats.
Okay.
We also use the root to fasten fish gaskets.
Okay. Fish.
Guys, can you hear? You can use this to do mats and fasting fish baskets. You can use this fashion. Blah, blah, blah. You guys heard what the man said. Now strength. Okay, so guys, excuse how I look. I've been sweating, I've been walking, but I'm currently heading home. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I hope the videos were not shaking too much. Okay guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carrot.
Okay. Hey guys. So it's been a few days since I got back from Bonny. I haven't vlogged, I haven't picked up, I haven't tried to film at all. Well, I filmed yesterday, but I filmed a sit down video, a feminine hygiene video. I'm sure that video will be up already. Please go and check it out if you haven't. Since I filmed the video yesterday, I've not been able to sit properly. I feel like I sat down in front of the lights for too long, so I've been suffering. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, go and watch that video. So in case you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it, just because I'm explaining to you how I've been suffering since I filmed that video. If you don't know, I have got astigmatism, okay? So that's why. Alright guys, I just wanted to close out this vlog here because I'm not sure I'm doing anything fun today. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below and the bell like button beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload you'll get notified. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.